Welcome to Arya and Harika. In this video, we will see lesson number 19, Nangal Nanbargal. I'll explain in English and the difficult words in Telugu as well. Let's begin. Nangal, we, Nanbargal, friends. Nangal Nanbargal means we are friends. In this lesson, there are three friends, Adi, Tamilini and Zerin. This lesson is about these three friends. First, let us see about Adi. Nadanam means dance. Aada dancing. Pidikkum like. Nadanam aada pidikkum. He likes dancing. Naikutti puppy. Valarkiran growing. He is growing a puppy. Adanudan with that vilayadi play. Magilvan enjoy. He will play and enjoy with that puppy. Next one, Thiraipadam movie. Parpadil watching. Arvam interest. Adhigam more. He is more interested in watching movies. Than he. Pogum going. Disayil direction. Nilavum, Nila means moon. Nilavum moon also. Varvadaka as it is coming. Kurvan says. We'll repeat again. Than pogum disayil nilavum varvadaga kurvan means he says that wherever direction he is going, moon is also coming with him. Adai that partapadi on seeing. Angum ingum here and there. Oduvan runs. He runs here and there on seeing that moon is following him. Next one, Elidil easily. Elidil means easily. Kopaduvan angry. He gets angry very easily. Palangalai fruits. Virumbi liking. Sapiduvan eats. He likes to eat fruits. Next we will see about another friend, Tamilini. Her name is Tamilini. Okay. Yendab any. Pudirukum riddle. Riddle means puzzle. Elidil easily. Vidai answer. Solval says she can answer any puzzle very easily. Meengal fishes. Valarkiral growing. She is growing fishes. Avai those Nindu vadai swimming. Partadu seeing. Magilval enjoys. She enjoys seeing those fishes swimming. Iravil in the night. Natchathirangalai stars. Ennuvadu counting. Pidikkum likes. She likes to count stars during night. Tayakkamindri without hesitation. In Telugu it is Mohamatam lekunda. Telivaga clearly. Pesuval speaks. She speaks clearly without hesitation. Bayapada. Bayam means afraid. Matal will not. She will not be afraid. Muttayum eggs. Meenum fishes. Virumbamana favorite. Unavu food. Eggs and fishes are her favorite food. Pudir puzzle. Kadaigalai stories. Pudir kadaigalai means puzzle stories. Virumbi with like. Padipal reads. She loves to read puzzle stories. Next friend is Jerin. His name is Jerin. Now let us see about Jerin. Inuppu sweet. Pandangalai items. Inuppu pandangalai sweet items. Virumbi like. Sapiduvan he eats. He likes to eat sweets. Vambu fuss. Fuss means unnecessary, nonsense. Pesugalai talks. Unnecessary talks. Tavirpan avoid. He avoids unnecessary talks. Megangalil in the clouds. Vevveru different. Uruvangalai shapes. Kandu find. Magilvan enjoys. He enjoys finding different shapes in the clouds. Padakkadaigalai comics. Virumbi like. Padipan reads. He likes reading comics. பூச்செடிகள் flowering plants வளர்க்கிறான் growing. He grows flowering plants. வண்ணப் colorful பூக்களை flowers கண்டு find மகிழ்வான் enjoys. He sees colorful flowers and enjoys. நன்றாக very well. படங்கள் pictures வரைவான் draws. He draws pictures very nicely. இவர்கள் these மூவரும் 3 of them நண்பர்கள் friends. எப்போதும் always ஒன்றாகவே together இருப்பார்கள் will be. They will be together always. உங்கள் your நண்பர்களை friends பற்றி about நீங்களும் you also கூறலாம் can speak. You also can speak about your friends. Next section is a situation. Let us see how these 3 friends deal with that situation. புதியவர் new. யாரேனும் anyone. பிடித்த favorite. பொருளை items. கொடுத்து by giving. தன்னுடன் along with them. வருமாறு to come. அழைத்தால் if they invites. If any new person gives your favorite items and ask to go along with them means what will you do? That is the situation. First let us see what Adi will do. போக மாட்டேன் I won't go. சத்தமாக very loudly கத்துவேன் shout. I will shout very loudly I won't go. What Tamilini will do? எதுவும் anything வேண்டாம் don't want. I don't want anything. வரமாட்டேன் I won't come என்று like that. உறுதியாக for sure சொல்லுவேன் I will say for sure that I won't come. I don't want anything. What Zerin will do? அந்த that இடத்தை place விட்டு சென்று will leave விடுவேன் and go. I will leave that place and go. In this சூழலில் situation நீ you என்ன what செய்வாய் will do. What will you do in this situation? Think what will you do? We have to be very careful in such situations. Hope you understood the lesson. We'll meet soon with book back exercise. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.